Today, we're going to change cabin air filters for this BMW i3. Cabin air filters are located in the center of the dash, next to the passenger floorboard. First, make yourself comfortable and move the seat all the way back, that way you'll have more space. Then, remove the floor mat. It is held by two Velcro circles on each side. Start by removing two T15 Torx screws. Here I'm using magnet to take them out more easily. It's wise to remove the middle panel first. You just need to wiggle it and pull it back. Here you can see how the panel was held by. Now you can remove the back panel without any obstructions. Here you can see how the back panel looks from the other side. Move carpet down so you can access the filter housing. Now remove this styrofoam block from the corner of the footwell. Now you can easily open small filter housing door and remove it to have a better access to the filters. Here you can see one of the filters. Simply pull the filter out. Now you can remove the other filter as well. Here's the difference between new and old filter. Cabin filter should be changed every 24,000 kilometers or 15,000 miles. There is an airflow arrow marked on the side of the filter. This arrow should be pointing to the back of the car. When placing the bottom filter, make sure it's all the way down and install the top filter then. That's it, new filters are in place. Now we need to put everything back together. Let's close the filter housing door. Slide the styrofoam block. Place the carpet to its original position. Reinstall the center panel. Align the back panel. And tighten the screws. Don't forget to reinstall the floor mat. That's it. Thanks for watching and good luck.